It's crazy at the service desk, and the thing about that is it gets in your way of communicating to your customers. And if you don't communicate with your customers, you're not going to be able to sell work. You're not going to be able to build trust. So let's take a look at this clip here, and it's going to show you the good and the bad about communicating with your customer during a visit. And then let's talk about it a little bit at the end, and hopefully take away some good ideas. Thanks for calling, JB Auto. Is my car done yet? Stegarellis, I told you I'd call you as soon as I knew something. It's been an hour. Yes, it has been, but we discussed it be a couple hours. It's being looked at right now, and I'll call you right away. Ah, baloney. Jeez. Hello, and thanks for... Hey, stop. I know who I called. I got it on speed dial. Is my car ready? Mr. Stegarellis, during a courtesy inspection, we found that your cabin air filter is really clogged and should be replaced. What the? What's a cabin air filter, and why does my car have one? It's not a cabin in the woods, you know. Well, the cabin air filter cleans the air that comes through your air conditioning, and that gives you fresh air to breathe. It'll... What? Jeez, forget about it. I can roll down the windows when I need to breathe fresh air. But it's really dirty and clogged. It can't be that bad, because I can get air out of my vents, put it back in, I'm coming to get my car. A cabin air filter, what are they going to think of next? Seat filters? Yeah, they have seat filters now. JB Automotive people are great. I just tap on this message and I know instantly what's happening to my car in their shop. Oh look, it's in waiting status for approval. Hey JB Automotive, thanks for calling. Well, the cabin air filter, it'll cost... What? Hey, it's clogged cheese. Is this why it seems a little smelly when I turn on the vents? It is part of the reason why. We'll clean all that out for you at the same time we replace it. Oh yeah! I like to holler while I'm driving. I need to get as much air as I can get. Stupid drivers. JB Automotive makes me get my car serviced easy. There you go. The digital inspection is a key part to this because remember, it's as if you walk your customer out into the shop, take them up into the bay, and show them exactly what's going on. And the thing is no matter where they're at, when they get that inspection, it's the same effect.